Hey guys, I'm here today to check out Dikrunch's new comeback song called Across the Universe, or Bisang in Korean and Fei Shang in Chinese. My Chinese is very much not up to par with Korean at all, especially not with English, so pardon my pronunciation. But what's interesting is the titles are a bit different in terms of meaning, so I don't know how it's all going to come together in the music video and the song, but I'm really excited. Thank you, Garage, for closing right now. There we go. So, anywho, without further ado, let's hop right in. Okay. It almost feels like it's sped up a bit. Ooh, okay. Intense. Okay, intense start, I love it. This is so powerful already. Vocals are so good. Call me again, okay? Ooh. Oh. Oh my god, this is epic. Okay, I'm catching on to the vibe of this song. Oh, making history, alright. It's so intense, I love it. Oh, his voice hits different. Oh, that is cool. Whoa. Oh, what a cool set, and the choreography is crazy. Can't stop. Ooh. It's really intense. I love this song. Killer ending pose. Wow. Oh, that is cool. That flag again. This was so just powerful. How do more people not know about them? I don't understand. They've always had incredible music, really great videos, just everything. Like, How are they not more popular? This was absolutely incredible. Definitely my style of song. Like, really very much up my alley. I love the intensity of it. It's really catchy and just really like, it's one of those songs that absorbs you and like, it's so powerful that it's almost like you can feel it through the screen. I love that sort of thing. That's gotta be like one of my favorite feelings when like you can just feel the intensity of like the music in the video like in person despite them being on your little monitor screen, you know? It was really epic. Like, the video was great. They had really pretty sets and it was very, like, crisp and, I don't know, really nice. I really liked the whole way, like, it was styled and put together. Really liked the outfits as well, like, in terms of styling in that sense. Like, the makeup and outfits, really nice. And on top of that, can we talk about the choreography? Really, really good. I feel like it really fits the whole, like, concept and vibe really well. Like, I love when the choreographies match up with, like, the lyrics and like kind of the energy or feeling that they're trying to portray. Really did well with that, and their vocals and rapping, so good. I am really impressed by them yet again, and I really wish them a lot of success, and I hope that they can get more attention and become more popular. 여러분, 디크런치 많이 들으세요. 디크런치가 유명해졌으면 좋겠다니까. 네, 많이 들어주세요. So yeah, alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram at Alice on the Internet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.